Clearwater's coastal charm and warm climate make it a beautiful place to call home, but its humid air, strong sunlight, and occasional storms also present challenges for maintaining a comfortable, energy-efficient living space. Energy-efficient awning windows are an excellent solution for Clearwater homeowners seeking to enhance natural ventilation, reduce energy costs, and improve indoor comfort. Here's why energy-efficient awning windows are a perfect choice for Clearwater's climate and how they can benefit your home. Enhanced ventilation for year-round comfort. Awning windows are designed with a unique top-hinged structure that opens outward from the bottom. This design allows for continuous ventilation, even during light rain, which is particularly beneficial in Clearwater's humid climate. Ventilation benefits. Natural airflow. Awning windows draw in fresh air while expelling stale air, helping to reduce indoor humidity and improve comfort. Rain protection. Their slanted opening acts as a shield against rain, allowing you to keep windows open during wet weather without letting water inside. Strategic placement. Often installed higher on walls, awning windows are ideal for promoting cross-ventilation and maintaining cooler indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient awning windows provide an effective way to enhance airflow while keeping your home comfortable and dry. Superior energy efficiency. Energy-efficient awning windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, helping Clearwater homeowners reduce their reliance on air conditioning and lower energy bills. Key energy-saving features. Insulated glass. Double or triple pane glass filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton reduces heat transfer, keeping your home cooler. Low E coatings. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, reducing cooling demands. Weatherproof seals. Professional installation ensures tight seals that prevent air leaks and drafts, maintaining indoor comfort. These features make awning windows a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice for Clearwater's warm climate. UV protection for your home's interior. Clearwater's abundant sunshine can cause furniture, flooring, and decor to fade over time. Energy-efficient awning windows help protect your interiors from harmful UV rays while maintaining a bright and welcoming space. How they provide UV protection. Low E glass blocks up to 99% of UV rays, preserving the color and quality of your furnishings. Natural light balance allows natural light to brighten your home without excessive heat or glare. Tinted options available for additional protection and enhanced privacy. With energy-efficient awning windows, you can enjoy Clearwater's sunshine without worrying about its effects on your interiors. Durability in coastal conditions. Clearwater's coastal environment demands windows that can withstand high humidity, salty air, and occasional storms. Energy-efficient awning windows are built to endure these conditions with minimal maintenance. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum resist warping, rust, and corrosion caused by humidity and salt air. Impact-resistant glass. Hurricane-rated options provide added protection against strong winds and flying debris during storm season. Professional sealing. Expert installation ensures windows are water and airtight, preventing damage from Clearwater's tropical rains. Energy-efficient awning windows offer long-lasting performance, even in the face of Clearwater's challenging climate. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a vibrant community like Clearwater often comes with increased outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, or beachgoers. Energy-efficient awning windows can help create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Soundproofing benefits. Multi-pane glass, double and triple pane windows reduce noise intrusion more effectively than single-pane designs. Tight seals. Proper installation eliminates gaps where sound can enter. Noise-dampening frames. Durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass further enhance sound insulation. With energy-efficient awning windows, you can enjoy the tranquility of your home without constant outside disturbances. Stylish and versatile design. Energy-efficient awning windows are not only functional but also stylish, making them a great addition to any Clearwater home. Their sleek design complements a variety of architectural styles and interior decors. Aesthetic advantages. Modern appeal. Clean lines and minimalist designs enhance both traditional and contemporary homes. Custom options. Available in a range of colors, finishes, and sizes to suit your home's aesthetic. Enhanced views. Their unique design allows for unobstructed views, perfect for enjoying Clearwater's scenic surroundings. Energy-efficient awning windows combine practicality with visual appeal, enhancing your home's charm and value. Environmental and cost benefit. Switching to energy-efficient awning windows is a step toward a more sustainable lifestyle, benefiting both your wallet and the planet. Sustainability and savings. Reduced energy use. By improving insulation and ventilation, these windows lower your home's cooling demands and energy consumption. Lower utility bills. Energy-efficient windows help you save on monthly energy costs. Eco-friendly materials. Many energy-efficient windows are made from recyclable materials, reducing their environmental impact. Choosing energy-efficient awning windows is an investment in a greener, more cost-effective future. Conclusion. Energy-efficient awning windows are a smart choice for Clearwater homeowners looking to improve ventilation, reduce energy costs, and enhance indoor comfort. Their unique design, superior insulation, and durability make them ideal for the challenges of coastal living, while their stylish appearance adds value to your home. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater. With their expertise, you can select and install energy-efficient awning windows that meet your needs and transform your living space into a cool, comfortable retreat.